Cap, it's Joe in Pattaya. It's Tuesday night, 9 p.m. This is Beach Road. It's the old little Mike shopping. 15th of March. I thought we'd take a look at Walking Street. It's been over a month since we've been down there. We've also got some good news. Oh, there's the bars here. Oh, they're all quiet. Not really any customers there. So Walking Street, let's see if it's got any busier or not. It's a checkpoint to get in there. It's good though. So but great news, on Friday there's a big meeting, so they might change the rules again. Better for everyone. Skyfall. Look at all these. Lobster pot closed, lighthouse. I don't think there's much up in the side soys. That's all new. That was the old Simon Beer Bar. Set up a cocktail car. These little cocktail cars spring up everywhere. Fahrenheit. Wow. Hello. Wow, looks good in there, doesn't it? Look, they're redoing the whole of Soy 15, new concrete there. That's the ice bar just there too. See him in the window? It's a little polar bear. Look at Fahrenheit. Thank you. The candy shop. Looks pretty quiet in there for 9 p.m. It is a Tuesday night though. Checkpoint, you got to show your test to get in. Oh, look up there. Go. A couple of bars up there. Look, there's actually people in Walking Street walking. It's always a good sign, considering we've had 2 years. Remember that? Is that new? Model show. Glass house. That was the old Russians, I think. Lucifer. Nightclub's not open, but the disco is. Pretty quiet. Palace. Where everyone's going, I-bar. I-bar. Look at dinner. Dinner looks good. That's where they all eat, I guess. Why not? They'll eat there. And then look at this section. Like a ghost town in some sections. Pitch black. It's the old marine disco up there. But how good is this? The old BB guns too. They're little air rifles, little pellets. Fire at each other in the street. Down here, Insomnia, it's not really open. Nightclubs aren't allowed to open. Everything still closes 11 p.m. Hot tuna bar. That was always good in there. It's pretty quiet. Cocktail car. You need a test to get in there though. You see there the doctors. Checkpoint to get in. That was all the bars they took out there, and another cocktail car goes up. Don't mess around here. Spare bit of land and boom. Soy 15, soy arrow. We'll keep looking down here. We've been down here for a long time. Got a huge seafood restaurant in there, J Noi. Look at that in there. It's on the waterfront too. What's this one? Russo Tourists. Looks good. Waterfront. There's no one there. It's a shame because this end of town sort of suffers the most. Look at this. All this lot's like a construction zone. And then you come across great little cafes like this. Indy Beach, they're beachfront as well. And that's about it for Walking Street. But hey, they're going to drop the restrictions soon, UK, for you travellers. They're dropping all the restrictions for travelling, so that'll be great. Starts Friday, but for Thailand, we'll see what happens with the meeting. Let's go have a look at the water. All the stray dogs down here. We didn't have any rain today, which is good. Look at this, I'm on the sand. And there's Pattaya Bay. There's that little club there, Walking Street. Cafe's shut behind me nearly. As you can see, it's fairly quiet still. Until they relax these rules. Things won't really change. Now no Russians coming back, probably won't help. But anyway guys, Uru from Pijo. Take care everybody, thank you for watching. Stay safe.